Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this new Yarrow flower in Grow a Garden game of Roblox smithing update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Yarrow flower looks like. And you can go to the crafting section if you want to get the Yarrow flower seed. You can go to the craft seeds section. Okay, you can select recipe, and these are the items that you need to craft the yarrow flower. You will need to find coal, 2 defined coals, burning wood, daffodil seed, and also 10 million shekels. And you will need 1 hour to craft this yarrow flower. And I have already crafted the yarrow flower. Even I have planted this flower on my garden. And this is how the yarrow flowers looks like. Okay, it's tall. And I'm going to show you guys the base value of this flower. I'm going to go to the sell shop and I'm going to check the base value. Wait, how much? This is worth, oh my god, it's crazy. And let me select this one, and I think it's really worth to craft. Okay, the base value is around 100k shekels. Okay guys, and that's all about the yarrow flower in Grow a Garden game of Roblox smithing update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.